It's cool. Okay, our next guest claims we've been eating pad thai all wrong. The secret ingredient apparently is tamarind, which restaurants often replace with ketchup. So here to make the authentic version, Chef Sang Kim joins us in the Your Morning Kitchen. Great to see you, my friend.
Hi, Ben. Good to see you.
All right, so we've been doing this all wrong.
We have.
There's
apparently.
ketchup, there's tamarind. What is
Yes.
the difference?
Well, the tamarind is actually what's supposed to go in there, right?
Okay.
In Thai food, what you need is the perfect balance of sweet, sour, hot, salty.
Yeah.
Right?
And you know what you're talking about there because you just got back from Thailand and you met the chef of the royal family.
The headmaster chef, yes.
And you wanted to learn this.
That's right. That's why I went, and she finally managed to teach me how to do it. And of course, when I asked about the ketchup, she said, she cringed. But the reason why ketchup's used in North America, Ben, is for two reasons. One is that the pure sourness of tamarind is not something that's palatable to a lot of people. The other is the color. You'll see when I use tamarind here, it turns quite dark, whereas with it's a sexy red with the ketchup.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess that this is the one that I've been ordering when I do takeout.
I got a feeling you have been. Okay, so let's start cooking right now.
All right.
Right? So turn up the heat a little bit.
Okay.
There, here we go.
Okay.
So now, what we want to do is I've done everything else for you already. The noodles are in there, the shrimp, the tofu, right? What we want to do is put equal parts over on that side of ketchup, fish sauce, and palm sugar.
Okay, so do I pour all these two in?
Sure.
Okay.
Why don't you do that?
Okay, so that goes
That's
in.
pretty strong.
And then this is some sort of, what did you say this was?
That's palm sugar.
Palm sugar,
Yeah,
okay.
you're gonna need your spoon.
Okay.
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 So you can hear it starting to sizzle now.
Yeah.
And then you put the ketchup, and I'll put the tamarind in.
All right.
Like
I think
so.
that's about that much.
Okay, I've given you tongs.
Maybe a little more. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And then just mix it in together.
Okay.
Okay. Once we've done that, you notice the color of mine? Pretty dark, huh?
Yeah, yours is definitely an earthier tone.
Yeah, and yours is quite beautifully salty red there. Okay. Of course, what you're gonna need after that is the egg.
Okay, the egg, sure.
Right. So once we
Sure hope I can crack this.
put the egg on the side.
Oh, on the side. Oh,
Yep.
okay, like this?
So.
So move this over like that?
Yep.
Okay.
And then what you want to do is you just want to, as it's coagulating here, just break the yolk.
Okay.
And you're going to use this egg as a kind of mattress, and then you're going to fold all the other stuff on
you're
top
asking
of it.
too much of me, Chef.
No, I know.
Here.
I'm asking too much of myself. Here. So now,
Okay.
once we've
All
got
this
that,
is over here. Okay.
then what we want to do is we want to take the noodles and all the other ingredients, and we want to just kind of flop it over it, okay?
Okay, like that.
Like so.
Okay, this is gonna be a disaster, but I'm using ketchup, so I've bastardized it already, so.
No, yours looks great.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, and then you want to try to reduce it as much as possible. We don't have too much time right now to reduce it, but then once that's done, we're going to plate it.
Okay.
And then we're going to sample it, right? And let's see which one
I'm gonna let my more. Okay, let's see. So.
No, yours is fine.
Okay.
Yep.
And now over here like this.
Beautiful.
Like that. Okay.
Yep. Now you notice that I put the garnishes on the side, right?
Yeah.
So we have. We have.
Here we only have a little bit of time left, so we're gonna have to.
No,
do
so
this.
all the garnishes are on there. Take your fork.
Okay.
Let's sample this.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Mine's better than yours, I could tell. Let me see.
Mine definitely tastes like some of the delivery places I go with. Let me try this.
This is pretty good. That's authentically Canadian.
Okay.
But I made authentic Thai.
It has less of a sharp. I mean, this has a ketchup flavor.
It does.
That does not. I want more of this. Okay. You can find these recipes on this one on yourmorning.ca. Chef, this is really good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.